Happy birthday, Trixie. Sorry, naka-sleep talaga ako. Anyway, I only wish you good health. Because you almost have everything. You have a good life. You have good kids. You are one of the kindest person that I know. That's why you are so blessed. Just continue to share your blessings to others, to us, your friends, para napapasana all na lang kami, Trix. Sana all, no? But anyway, since today is your birthday, enjoy, and of course, don't forget may pasalubong. Joke. Anyway, happy birthday again.
Hello to my beautiful classmate, Trixie Godad Balisacan. Wish you happy 50th birthday, good health, and happy family always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy 50th birthday, Lola. May you have many more birthdays to come. Wishing you all the best in life. Enjoy your day. God bless. I love you.
Hi Trixie, happy birthday. Pasensya na akong boses kay napaas akong 3 songs ng kan Michael Testimonial Dinner. Sana tagang kapahin alaba pa nga kinabuhi, maupay nga panlawas, damo pa nga grasya, nan rin ako masisiring kay swerte ka man ang imong asawa or inuban swerte ha iyo nga duwa. Ijubal ba or ikaw? Pasensya na kay medyo malain pa akong pamati. Yan, sana pag-enjoy ka mo dida, kaupalit mo pamilya. Yan ayaw pagsiring, naligtas ka na. Maguhulat kami ang mga bilin didi sa Pilipinas pag-abot nimo. Happy birthday. Enjoy!
Surprise! Happy 50th birthday, Trixie, my thoughtful friend, my generous friend. Enjoy your day. I wish more birthdays to come, more blessings to come. Stay healthy. I love you.
Trex, happy birthday! 50 ka na nga yan. Baga di rin mo nalata. Napakianap ako kan padibadi ko. Pero gano'n mo edad. Kay baga, kasi rin ko 49 ka pala. Wow! Baga di ralata. Kaya natin mga face, mga baby face. Balita, happy birthday. Enjoy.
Hi Trix, it's only me. I just wanted to take a moment to send you the biggest birthday hug on your special day. Can you believe it? The big 50. Anyway, age is just a number. You are more amazing, more vibrant, and more beautiful than ever. Mas mahusay ka pa yan na kontra haton high school. And high school kita, ikaw ang pinakamahusay, pero yan na, you are more beautiful. I just want you to know how much you mean to me and everyone around you. You are such a kind, generous, and loving soul. Your beauty, both inside and out, radiates wherever you go, and I am so grateful to call you my best friend. We've shared so many wonderful memories together, and through it all, your sensitivity and understanding have made you the person everyone loves. You have a heart of gold, and your presence lights up every room. You deserve nothing but the best today and always. So here's to you, Trix, to all the laughter, the tears, the late night talks, and the many beautiful moments we'll share in the future. Happy 50th birthday, my dear friend. You are so loved more than you know. Cheers to many more years of happiness, love, and friendship. I love you. Happy birthday!
Mo na ang lahat sa akin. Huwag lang ang aking mahal. Happy birthday, kapatid. So sorry, akala mo tatapusin ko yung kanta, no? Wherein, sasagot ka doon sa part ng mamatay ka lang. Well, I'm so sorry. I'm not going to sing that song fully today. Next time na lang. For the meantime, I just wanna wish you a happy, happy birthday. Alam kong bongga ang iyong birthday trip today. Indonesia. Indonesia. My God. Anyway, enjoy your trip and enjoy your birthday. I love you so much, kapatid. See you soon. Bye.
Hi, Trex!
Hi, Trex.
Happy birthday! Our wish for you is that God may bless you with good health to enjoy all God's blessings to your family, to yourself, to everyone around you. Stay pretty always, and of course, thank you for the gift of friendship. Happy birthday, Trex!
Hi Trixie, sending you my best wishes on your special day. Happy Golden Jubilee. God bless.
Hi, Trexing! Pero nalakaadlaw, magpaparehas na kita edad. Finally, magkaedad kita na. Tapos, mga piragalaw daw ito ka simana. Tapos, magurang mo na liwat ako. Anyway, he Trexie, usa ko ini nga consider nga genuine friend. Although diri kami sugad na ito ka magchika, yan ang mga panahon kay naabot na sinisiring nga may kanya-kanya na liwat kami dani busy di din usa, busy liwat di din unto nga usa. So dani makuri na magilap ang mga schedule namon, pero kung nagkakamay man in time, nagkakauro sa liwat. Pero kung magkaurusa man nga ni liwat, grabe liwat ito ang chikahan liwat as in. Pero mamingaw na liwat. Mamingaw liwat dana yan sinisiringan katatawa liwat. Dana ipapamiling-miling gihapon isa gaano ka busy gihapon namon. Anyway, asya ito, he Trexie best buddy ko tiya ha badminton. Ikami itong nga duwa permen magpartner. Tapos ikita ba itong nga duwa nga permila kita nga duwa beginner nga diri kita. Although nagcha-champion kita pero pag abot na itong tournament, beginner lang ako kita. Ang literal kita champion. Tapos usa nga di ko mga kalimtakan Trexing, and ito nga time nga ginjidoro joke ko galaw do gini nga gin-text ko iya nga Trexing, ako Trexie ko kang bagito actually ta akong tawag kita iya Trexie ko kang nasa ko lang mo may dagdag akong problema, so ko ikaw gadlat akon madadaupan nga ikaw gulat makakabuli ka akon waray na gud iba pag ito ko ikaw gudla. As ini naman hiya, nangyari-reply ako, ano ito, kinukulban na rakit nga imo kuan. Problema. Ano ito hiya? Muko, basta, kinanglang ko ng sugadin nga certain amount. Tapos, wala hindi mag-reply ha akon. Kalo ka, nadawla ini Trixie mo na talaga. Ano ini? Nasubakula daw, kulba ako. Ngayon, mga piragalaodog ka minutes, natuktok na didihag 8. May daran talaga hiya. Ipapahuran niya ako ng cash. Sugaditiya kagrabe pag-support iton usa nga friend kun sinisiring ko nan iya resources ba ready na ako na adal pero kay miskan waray mga resources niya ginmamalahi mo gud niya nga makabulig talaga. So an siya ito ya tapos gisigang uy joke good la siya to iya ito perme i-expression ito perme masigaw paasi ka an siya ito ya perme mamingaw net nga mga paasi ka. Anyway, asya damot ako memories actually kan Trexing. Nga, labi na gula pag surprise liwat niyan akong birthday nga. Ay, Diyos ko, basta wood man ang ending na nga to kami hospital kay nakuha nito ni iya tiil. Ay, basta, as in, asya gud ito. Pero, memorable nga bagahan. Sinisiring nga pinaninervyos kami ito din nga tayo. Mo naman na weng, nakatunga niliwat adad to. Hagi, Ginoo. Anyway, happy birthday my dearest friend. Inihiya a shining example of kindness, asya iya generosity, tapos a very supportive friend to others. Ansya gud ito iya. Asya gud ito iya itong mga sinisiring nga karakteristik. Thank you Trexing. Thank you. Tapos sana mag-enjoy ka kan imo birthday yan na miskan adto ka halangyaw pag abot mo celebrate na lalabot kita otro kung magkamaya naman kita time. Okay, thank you, happy birthday again Trixie Kukang, love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday, Ate Trix. I wish you good health and more blessings to come. I wish you the happiest birthday ever today. Thank you, han tanan-tanan. Han friendship, hamon family, labi na kan mama, and salamatan pagpaura haamon. Agi panangis keme. Palito te, happy birthday. God bless and stay pretty and sexy and fabulous and many more. We love you. Enjoy.